Hello guys, today we can talk about how to win your friends and influence part 2 of the book. And in this book totally 6 points is there we want to applicable to like our friends and instantly they want to like ourselves. So totally 6 ways are is there, and each lesson there are going to be sub principle is there we want to follow. The 6 ways to make a people like instantly. We want to become a genuinely interest with the other people, because nowadays the people who ask the help means we will going to try and we will going to solve the problem. This type of a friendship is does not going to become a best friendship. Person was in a best friendship means we want to get that, we want to go that person and what's is this problem and we want to solve that problem. At the same time that person only, I'm not stuck in that position, I also want to complete my work, and as well as I want to help that person. Because giving a more value or giving a more help to my friends or some other persons, it's definitely increase your friendship level. Because that person wasn't not telling about, hey, I need a help, because immediately you are going to help that person means it's giving a more importance to that person. This friendship is going to turn to the best friendship. So if you want to get that some persons the friendship, you can try this scenario. So you can try this in a college colleagues or in a school days, and everywhere you can try this technique, where you want to help that person as well as you also want to improve yourself, as you do not want to stuck at the same position. Second thing is a smile. Every people will be tell about why do I want to smile a person. For this I want to give you a little bit story. For example, you are going to the organization, you at the same time as your colleague also saying, and he was in a very rude face and he was never talk to you, and you also never talk to him. And definitely that persons or we only we does not want to talk that person, because incidentally if we give you a small smile of a start, we will going to start our conversation. Because in every conversation our facial expression is much more important. You do not need to study a more body language means, just smile, that's it. This body language will be improve your communication series. So in front of, if you want to impress some persons or if you want to start a conversation means, just a smile and start your conversation. It's going to give you a friendly conversation with your colleagues. So you can try this. Third lesson wasn't telling about, we want to remember that person's name. Why do you want to remember that person? The Napoleon Financy was a very famous politician. He was just in his campaign. He was doing the campaign and political meeting and all the meetings. In the stage, always the behind the work who are the make the stage and who are the made up the lights and like the decoration, each names he was right in the stage. Thank you this person, thank you Albert, and thank you thank you Jode, and thank you Rod. Like this, so much of a names, totally 50 to 100 people's of names in front of a stage. He was remember and he was spoken without any non pronunciation mistake and spelling mistake, without any mistake he was told in this politician in campaign. So in front of that people, it wasn't a name. In western culture there wasn't a name, wasn't a very different culture. In India names wasn't a very unique, but western culture wasn't a very different and very different pronunciation. If you want to manage that means, that was a double-edged sword. If you slightly mistake that pronunciation words means, it definitely in the campaign stage in front of that stage, that definitely going to eat you. In front of the Napoleon in was na handle this situation in front of totally 50 to 100 peoples of names he wasn't remember me. Why not we can remember our colleagues names, or why we can remember that strangers or some other, we can remember all the things in our brain. In front of, think about the Napoleon finance. So he can remember at the one campaign you will remember the 50 to 100 people's name. We can also remember the other person's name. Going to see that person means you want to ensure that remember that person's name. The fourth point was on telling about being a good listener and encourage the other person's talks. Why we want to encourage the other person? Why we want to listen? Because in a conversation, because in usually when was another person was talking to you, when I usually I was seeing about I was seeing about a phone means definitely that person was gonna irritate that person, because I have been before that I was gonna talking to me, I will just listen and I will watch the reels and something else. And like this only the many of our peoples will be don't, they will be not give a attention to that persons, because when you giving a more attention to that people means they will be easily going to attract you. So instead of just you do not want to listen, if you want to listen that person means listen and give them into little bit appreciate and encourage that talk, and it build your conversation in better way. So if you want to build your conversation means you want to definitely you want and switch off your phone and build your conversation and encourage other at middle of a talks, and it's going to be a help your, it going to help your conversation in better one. And the fifth point was a chill out, find about other people's interest. How to find our other people's interest means when usually we will communicate with each other, when some person wasn't a very much interesting and telling about the same persons, because for example in this author wasn't a was gone to the fisherman, and he was conversation with the buildingers smoothly was going about. And in this the fisherman was trying about, he was telling about his lives and his children's and a lot more stuffs and others some his life about. And many of the times the fisherman was every time he was telling about fish, and the author was noticed about, oh, this guy was very much interesting, very much interest about a fishing, because naturally the fisherman who was very much interested in fishing, and he was knowledgeable in the fishing and different types of fish and how to catch, like this more and more like our questions will be, he was interesting. So author was building about his conversation means, oh, which type of a fish do you like, and which type of a fish was very much expensive, like this conversation was built smoothly, because when he was started conversation with the fish as a keyword, he was built a conversation about a fish and which is a more which was a more expensive the fish in the, and how to cook a fish, like this so much of a conversation he was built about a single keyword about a fish. So when you were talk about, when you were listen the other person conversation, you want to listen, there wasn't a keyword is there, you can start asking about what are the stuffs, what are the question you want to ask means everything you can ask, that person was ready to answer anything. So if you ask the fisherman about which is the most expensive of fish, which fish you going to like more, which fish has been eaten last week, if your question was like that means about a fish means definitely you going to talk about to you, ask the question which that person was in a very much interest, so that will be give you more interesting conversation to you. How to make a people like instantly they want to like you means there was a simple technique was there. A multimillionaire of Mr. Rose was very much, that woman was very much beautiful, and she was very older, and her husband was died, and she has no children, and she has a multi-billionaires, and she has a multi-millionaire, and there was nobody as a support as family, and as her husband family there was nobody has been support, and she was not just because of so much of money, she wasn't giving the trust for money charity, she was spending the money in a charity donation something like that, she wasn't spending like that. And the author was went to her house, and she was and the author was asking about where you have lived, and what your husband has been doing the work, and like that, so much of stuffs. And other than these questions about questions, and what he was keep on asking the question, and she was replying our past, when she was started to answering the questions. As each time she was crying about telling about her husband. So author was deciding about telling about asking about her husband, means she will be definitely going to getting a more emotional to that woman. So I do not want to ask the question further her husband. So let me ask about this question, this castle, and about asking about a car and something else. And there was an answering and everything. She wasn't answering about everything. She wasn't answering. Mr. Rose was now answering about this was a castle, about both our husband and our wife also so much of a dream. They was not built this home. Our husband was not buy a new car. In this the new car, they wasn't not evenly went to the single right to both the members, where instead when her husband was not buying the new car, he has been died so soon. She also do not to know about how to drive the car. So the car was gone out of the carriage, and there was was doing there was nobody is touching that car. And she, instead about asking about her life, author was a very much interesting, because he was a like very much that car, because that time was a nobody. She was not evenly used that car. So genuinely he asked about a car. We can sell our car, because you have been not selling, because you are not using that car, means we can sell our car to second hand persons. So that woman was suddenly get into the more emotional towards. And instantly she was getting the more emotion because of her husband, because both was in a plan. They both was in a dream about they want to go to the ride in the car. So he was she wasn't about telling about our dream has been not completed, so I will gift to car to author. And author was surprisingly, his dream was telling about I want this car, because instead of giving a more appreciate that person, tell him to that person, because this every person has a mentality psychologically. What about means they have things, that value of power, that value of a thing was come out, means definitely this value of a things I want to use. I want to use this thing. So instead of I'm not using, means I will gift or something, or I will sell it out. Like this a thought will be every person will be come out. So instantly she was a gave a gift to the car to our author. So genuinely she was a gifted, and author also get the car. And instead of trying the more and more, giving a more appreciating more about flattering that person, means do this technique, definitely is going to be different. So if you like this video, means like and subscribe me.